Hey guys, so my camera battery died yesterday and I didn't get to show y'all the property, but it is early in the morning. I'm getting ready to go on a hike, but I wanted to show you some of the property. This is the Joshua Tree House in Tucson, and it's a big property. So many different little gems inside of it. Right now I'm standing on the patio. Up here, as you can see, this is a patio, and then the mountains are just like in the back over there. So beautiful. And there is a swimming pool. Ooh, the strip. There's a swimming pool down there too. You can actually swim. And then let me show you the rest of the property. So there is a yoga room slash exercise studio. Yeah, it's a yoga room in there, which is so cute. I love that. Oh, how beautiful. I didn't even realize. I feel like I'm just discovering all these little places that are hidden in this area. But there's a dining patio here. I'll show y'all. There is a dining patio here. This is so cute. This is the dining area and kitchen. I was trying to see if I can put the lights on, but can't get the lights to come on. This is the kitchen. This is like the living room area. Right here. I just realized I forgot to sign the guest book. Yeah, I'm about to go and get hiking. I'm going to Saguaro National Park today. And I'm gonna go and hike. Time to leave this place. I love it here. It's just so cute. Today I'm hiking at Saguaro National Park, and today I'm hiking the west end of the park. The other day I hiked the east side, so I thought today I would come out here, hike the west side. And right now this trail that I'm hiking is the Kings Canyon Trail, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Guys, it's so beautiful here. Look at this view. There goes the canyon right there. I wonder if there's ever a time when there's actually water flowing through there. Probably not, because it's Arizona, but I'm gonna ask when I go to the visitor center. But this is so beautiful. There's so many great trails here. I feel like I need to come back here again and just explore more, because one weekend is not enough. So we're gonna continue this hike. I think I'm gonna try and do whole loop and hike around the, I think it's the Gold Find Trail. And then I'm gonna go check out the visitor center and see if I can get some more information about this area. There is one more other trail I wanted to look at. I think it's called the Valley View Overlook Trail or something like that. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I love it here. This is the Saguaro National Park Visitor Center. I'm about to go inside and get a magnet because that's what I collect from national parks is the magnets. So I'm gonna go check out what magnets they have. Got my magnet. Let me show y'all the one that I ended up getting. I usually tend to stick to one style of magnet just to like blend in with all my other ones, but this is the one I ended up getting. It is kind of what I wanted. I wish there was more sky in this magnet, but it's okay. It is what it is. I'm about to go check out one. Oops, I want to hit their car. Oops. I'm about to go check out one more area of the park, the Valley View Trail, and then I'm gonna go eat because I am starving. I skipped the lunch today. I skipped breakfast today because I want to give my stomach a little break. I've been eating a lot this whole trip, but I'm starving. So let's go check out the Valley View Trail and then we'll go eat. I love that this trail has different information about all the plants and plant species here. I love that. You can read all about the different types of plants and cactus that grow here. Guys, I am pretty tired from this weekend's adventures. Like, my legs can definitely feel it. So this is going to be my last little hike for this weekend, and I'm going to rest my legs for the rest of the week. But it's been a really great weekend. Thank you guys for coming along my adventures in Arizona. I hope to come back here again and do some more hiking because it's just so beautiful out here. Oh, yep. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next adventure.